All right, what's going on, guys? This is how you're going to sign your first creator scaling client step by step. It's the same system that I use, the same system that all of my students use that help us land creators that make us 3K, 5K, even 10K per month. All right, and this is exactly how you can do it as well as a beginner with no experience running ads. All right, first step is to figure out our ICP, our ideal customer profile. Not every creator we can help because we need to find somebody that is profitable for us. All right, so first we need to identify which creators need help. All right, they need to have a monetizable offer. It needs to be like a course, coaching, ebook, service, user-generated product, a product, etc. You know, it just can't be brand deals or just like content that has no meaning. They're not really selling anything, nothing behind it. All right, there needs to be a sales process behind it, and it needs to be transactional. All right, there needs to be a working funnel or a desire to scale. Like, they can either be selling it through organic content right now and want to sell it and grow it further. You don't want to work with somebody that like you think they can make a lot of money with you. You want to work with someone that's already making money and they just want to get to the next step. Ads is not like you can make a product or a service go viral overnight. You need to work with someone that already has a proven product that's printing money, but they just want to scale it. That's what ads is, all right? So, an audience, but not running ads yet. All right, they can have around 2,000 to 100,000 plus followers. As you guys know, my creator, Farid Abedini, had 100,000 followers, right? The one with 2,000 followers, you can still work with people like that, but it's the same thing has to apply. They need to sell something and they need to have a working funnel. All right. And the attributes of a great creator for an ads client, they need to have a product or an offer. So selling a course, coaching, some sort of user-generated content, service, or e-commerce, or a product. You know, they need to have consistent content. So they need to be active on TikTok, IG, YouTube, posting 3 to 5 times a week. You guys see my program, I was posting about it 3 to 5 times a week. That's why I have lots of applications, because I'm always on people's feed. That's gonna be an ideal customer profile for you guys as well. And they can't be running ads yet, obviously, because if you're gonna run ads for them, you don't want them to have an ads guy already. So they need to be relying only on organic growth, and then you can bring the paid results yourself. They need to have a growth mindset, so they need to be talking about scaling, building, and the next steps. They can't be a non-investing type of person, because we all know ads is an money out type of game. So they need to be cash flowing money as well. You don't want to work with someone that's making no money. So even if they're only making like 5K a month, even if they're only making like 10K a month, you could work with them. Doesn't matter. But you need to know that, you know, they have a proven offer that's gonna work, and that if you put money behind the marketing, it's gonna work. All right, these are some of the things that you want to look out for when avoiding people. Some red flags. They have no product. They're just posting for fun. No link in bio. No monetization. They're inconsistent with their posting. So they're posting once every 2 weeks. No direction. No intention behind their content. Their engagement's dead. Under 100 views. No likes, no comments. When they're CTAing, saying comment this word, nobody's doing that. And they have no investment mindset. Like I said, they can't be only interested in freebies. That doesn't really give us any value, and they don't really see the value in ads as well. They can't be doing saturated UGC only creators, right? It can't be only people chasing brand deals, no owned offers, because, you know, people make money off of their face in 2 ways. They'll sell their own thing, or they'll sell other people's. So if they're selling other people's, we can't really work with them. And you need to keep in mind that you're not going to find your creator overnight. I landed Farid Abedini, a big creator doing over $100,000 a month. He has over 100,000 followers on Instagram. I landed him over months. And this was all through trial and error. You guys don't have to go through that, but you need to realize that once you have the system in place, it's not going to happen overnight. It's going to take time. But it is going to take a proper acquisition system. And this is your pro tip. Your dream client will say something like this: I've been doing all this organically. I just don't know how to run ads or scale it. Like, that's what they would say. Like, they've been doing all of this organically, they're getting sales organically, but they just don't know how to run ads and scale them. With that being said, let's build some systems. So step 2 is hire a virtual assistant. I do this. I have a virtual assistant in my DMs. I have a virtual assistant making my content. I have a virtual assistant making my doing my calls, my cold calls. I have virtual assistants for everything. I delegate basically all the work because these guys are cheap and they're in the Philippines, and I can make a lot of money arbitraging them. So if you're gonna go to onlinejobs.ph, it's gonna look like this right here. Okay. You're gonna put a job application up for DM setting. You're gonna get lots of applications. And you're gonna use this exact prompt. I'm looking for a reliable, fluent English-speaking virtual assistant to help me with DM outreach on Instagram and TikTok. Your job will be to message creators and influencers using a script that I provide and track all outreach activity in a Google Sheet. You're gonna give them a script. They're gonna track all their messages, all the responses in a Google Sheet. We're gonna train them. And the goal is to start conversations, get replies, and flag warm leads so I can jump in and book sales calls. You don't need any sales experience, just follow instructions and stay consistent. This is a long-term role with growth potential if you do great work. It's important to put this at the end because you want them to work based upon performance and not just based upon like hourly rate. You're gonna tell them that you're gonna give them incentives such as like, hey, you're gonna get your $3 an hour, but also if you book them and I collect cash, you're gonna get 5% or whatever the case may be. And at the end of it, you wanna put must send a Loom video because not every single person that's gonna apply for this position is going to be serious. Lots of people are just gonna apply because they're going through every single application. But the people that take time to sit down, record a Loom video for you specifically are the people that are most likely interested and more qualified to work with. So put the must send a Loom video at the end. And only respond and take applications from anyone that sends a Loom video. Step 3 is we're gonna train the VA. So they're gonna send 30 to 50 DMs per day to qualified creators. Qualified creators are basically just the qualifications we went over. They gotta be selling this, they gotta be doing that, they gotta be, not running ads. They gotta follow the qualifications. You're gonna hire this guy for $3 an hour. You're gonna tell him to use the exact same script you gave him. And the script is just gonna be a voice message from you. So they're gonna take one device and then record the pre-recorded voice message that you sent, send that to the creator. Because voice messages are gonna be opened by bigger creators more often than regular traditional DMs. You're gonna track every single DM that they send in the Google Sheet. You're gonna flag all the warm leads so that you can go in and then book them and go for the kill yourself, and they're gonna report daily results. Simple. We already went over these qualifications. They're gonna find the creators on TikTok, Instagram, Explore page, My For You page, under other creators' comments, different places. And then they're gonna DM the pre-recorded message from you, right? The voice messaging script is literally so game changer. It's landed me hundreds of clients for me and for my students. I would give you guys this script, but I can't because I am charging people thousands of dollars for this exact script. It's lots of value. There's lots of value in the script, and it's exclusive to the people in my mentorship program. So if you do want to join the mentorship program, there's a link in the bio. But with that being said, I can't give it to you guys, but I can tell you what to do. You just send them the voice message, and after you send them the voice message, anyone that responds to it, you're gonna have the virtual assistant flag them. So anyone that says like, yeah, I've thought about it, I'm open to ads, tell me more, that's warm. They're gonna flag it. And then make sure to have them track using the Google Sheet, right? That's really, really important. And then step 3 is just you're gonna launch this client acquisition outreach machine. This is game changer, guys. This is game changer because I've used this so many times, and it's way more efficient than you actually going in the DMs and sending a voice message to every single person. It's only gonna take like 3 days until you get a few creators to hit you back. And once you get those creators to hit you back, you're gonna get them on a call with me. I'm gonna close the deal for you, and you're gonna have your first client ready for creator scaling.